The selection tool allows you to select multiple templates on your artboard by simply drawing a box with your mouse. Any template that is intersected will be highlighted or selected for placement or rotation. This example, I'm selecting two windows, then holding Shift while clicking on the third window to group them all together. If you didn't select all the templates the first time, you can hold Shift and click on the individual templates you want to group together. Or holding Shift and clicking on each one will also deselect them.